Hello everybody, I would like to introduce our new condom to you, graphene condom. One of new technology in condom industry is graphene condom. This technology has got a patent in China and has get the support of Bill Gates Fund. So it is a very new condom in the world. This kind of condom solve a lot of problems of old condoms. The first one is about the thickness of the condom. Graphene condom thickness is 0.03. Many customers complain the condom is very thick, not comfortable. So graphene condom, it is only 50%. It is thinner 50% than common condom. This one is a graphene condom. This one is a common condom. The thickness is 50% thinner than the classic traditional condom. When we open it, you can feel it's very thin. The traditional condom is completely different.